16 states that have laws that outlaw lies in political ads. You know how corporations can be sued for making false claims in their ads? Well, so can people who make false claims in political ads, at least in these 16 states. But apparently, the Supreme Court thinks that not being able to say whatever the hell you want about a candidate, whether it's true or not, in a big giant ad, is violating people's free speech. They just ruled that a group could go ahead and challenge the no lying law in Ohio. You see, the group known as the Susan B. Anthony list ran ads against a candidate that weren't exactly true. And that candidate was going to challenge them through the no lying law. So the not exactly true ad didn't run, and that made the group very angry. So they went ahead and challenged the no lying law because they'd like to continue lying about politicians in the upcoming election and not get in trouble for it. Lower courts threw out their challenge, but now the Supreme Court just said that the group can go ahead and challenge the no lying law. After the ruling, the president of the group was thrilled. She actually was quoted as saying, "The truth or falsity of political speech should be judged by voters." In other words, she thinks the onus of truth is on the people who see the ads, not on the people who make them. Which is ludicrous. Either something is true or it's not. You shouldn't be allowed to lie in ads about candidates who are running to represent us. You can't lie that your stupid product cures cancer or makes you look 20 million years younger. You certainly shouldn't be able to lie about a candidate who could potentially make huge decisions affecting all of our lives. But apparently, our Supreme Court thinks otherwise. In his ruling, Justice Clarence Thomas said that having to prove truths in ads would put a hardship on advertisers and might make them refrain from free speech. The court also warned that these no-lying laws have a chilling effect on free speech and that they could impose serious burdens on electoral speech. Yes, God forbid we hold political advertisers to the high burden of checking their facts before spewing out their garbage to the whole world. What a burden that would be. Man, our Supreme Court has become a joke when it comes to political campaigning. Our justice isn't just blind anymore, it's deaf, it's certainly dumb, and it clearly has an agenda to support a supremely dirty political arena. Tonight, let's talk about that by following me on Twitter @TheResident.